Hey guys, do you know about Azure DevOps? Azure DevOps is a software as a service platform that consists of a set of tools for entire software development lifecycle. One of those is Azure CI/CD, which you can even use for your infrastructure coding if infrastructure as a code is something that you find exciting. Despite being launched in October 2018, Azure DevOps is actually not a new kid on the DevOps block. Its lineage traces up to Visual Studio Team system, which is more than a decade old now. Yeah? So now we can call it actually a mature system, which is being used by more than 80,000 developers in Microsoft, and I guess even more users in the market. In other words, Azure DevOps is a complete software development package that consists of version control, issue tracking, code review, and as well as CI/CD tools, and everything is delivered as a service. It allows teams to plan work, collaborate on code development, on building and deploying applications. It consists of tools and processes that bring together developers, project managers, and everybody else that collaborate on deploying your application. Okay, now let's talk details. What's in it for developers and business owners?
Universal CI/CD pipelines that support virtually every programming language, every platform, and a multiple of cloud providers. You can build and test your Node.js, PHP, .NET, Android or iOS applications. You can build them and test them on multiple operating systems in parallel. You can also deploy them in Google Cloud, AWS, Azure, on-premise, or everywhere all at once if you're crazy. If you have multiple teams working on a project, you need to facilitate better communication. Azure Boards allows for easier backlog management and also provides you with insightful custom reports. Artifact management supporting Maven, NPM, Python, Nugget packages from private or public sources. Unlimited cloud-hosted Git repositories for both your private and public needs, where you can push and pull to your heart's content. Azure Test Plan Suite allows you to document, manage, and run all of your tests. Essentially, your automated testing, your exploratory testing, or even manually testing. And this helps you ensure that your software runs as you expect it to run. Azure DevOps supports third-party extensions via its marketplace. So you can even use the platform to orchestrate third-party tools such as JFrog and many more extensions that offer additional functionality to the whole platform.
First things first, faster time to market and lower TCO. It means you can bring your products and services to market with less efforts, less operational expenditure, and those complex decisions. Can we publish it now? Second benefit is more effective developers and faster response to business needs. Yeah? If you ever felt like coming to your developers on the wrong time, they said that no, we cannot do it now, we can do it in 2 weeks or something. With Azure DevOps Empower developers, you will have your business changes developed today and deployed multiple times a day. Third thing is less headache and less downtime for developers. Your business will no longer need to stop during the deployment of changes or business requirements. Yeah? And your testers will no longer need to do the job during the night. Everything will be able to be done during the daytime without stopping your business, and everything will be smooth. Better privacy and security of your source code, information, and business itself is one of the last but not the least benefits for business. I mean, handmade stuff, manual work is nice when we are talking about nice suit or Swiss watch, but when we are talking development, we want to automate everything as possible. Automation, 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 automated testing, less human errors, and this is how our applications will be more secure.